I'm a rising senior at TJ, and this summer I'll be leading Innovator.
Hi, my name is Kavya Katuva, and I'm a rising 11th grader at TJ.
Hey, my name is Eric Dwan. I'm a rising junior at Glenelg High School.
Rainy day in Boston, Massachusetts. I love these stories, and they're great stories, and everyone should read them. I've never read one where there were Asian Americans. So I decided to write one.
We all have the capacity to be superheroes. Be the hero that you love.
Gain new milestones, and of course I'm super excited about our Boston chapter this year, which we will talk about shortly.